Hello everybody, and tomorrow is going to be one of the most specialest days. Well, for one person, my little brother. November 3rd, 2017 is his birthday. Yay! 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 Anywho, so since it is his birthday, I am going to make a video since I haven't for a long time, and this video is going to be made for him. Anyone else that wants to watch it, well, watch it. But it's made for him for the next day, for his little birthday. And I will make this video just for him so he could see, and like I said earlier, anyone can watch this video also. Alright, here it goes. Hello, I am Rarity, the beautiful Rarity of all freaking time. So, I don't mean to have bad language, but I don't mean to brag that this one is the most powerful necklace of all freaking teep. Ease. I love teepees. Doesn't anybody else look at my makeup? Look at my makeup. So awesome, am I right? So, what is today's topic? This has to be some mistake. Why am I on a white piece of paper? Let me go talk to my... I need to go to the bathroom. I will see you later. Hey guys, I am Twilight Sparkle, and today I am going to be putting a prank on Rarity, telling her that we are going to do a special thing called the Makeup Bazooka. If anyone knows where that is from, not from one of our videos, but somewhere in Barbie Life in the Dream House, tell us what episode in the comments. Thank you. Anyway, we are going to put a prank on her, and we are going to be sending in 3 cast members. No, not 3. Jeez, why did I say that? 3. Jeez. 5 cast members. That is not going to be me. Like I'm doing right now, I'm taking a video to put on the prank. So 5 cast members are going to come up and pour some slime on her. And this is some payback. Payback for her. She's coming out. Dang it. Are we all good? I used my magic. I hope you had a nice view of the floor. Anyway, she's coming out. I better go. You guys know what you have to do. Click the... Wait, what? Oh. Make sure to laugh. Never mind that. Just make sure to have a good time and a good day. Oh, okay. Well, enjoy. Rarity's coming out. So I have to be on this piece of paper. Bazooka? Makeup bazooka? Hello, my name is Rainbow, and I am going to be testing makeup bazooka on Rarity today. I can't wake. Yeah, I can't wake. Yeah, I can't wake up. I can't wake up today. Wait, can you wake me up? No. Enjoy. So here's the first one. Rarity, close your eyes. Okay. Black. Ah! Slime? What is this? Some mistake? Uh-oh. I guess it turned to slime. Sorry, Rarity. This is the best. Oh, why slime? Ew. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Why? Oh. Oh. She knocked over the camera. I can't believe she did that. Slime number 1 complete. Yes. Alright. I'm going to be sending in the second cast member for the day. I'll switch out the piece of black paper. Yes. Okay. Jeez. I guess they didn't get it right. No, my makeup got wiped off. A little. I'm kidding. Of course it didn't. Hello, Rarity. Hello. Yes, hi. I am going to be testing out this different makeup bazooka. Ooh, yay. Yay. Ready? Yeah. Pink. What? Slime again? Oh! What's this camera keep knocking over? Why slime? Uh-oh, must have been some mistake. Maybe it melted. Oh! Oh! Ah! I'm going to go to the bathroom again. Yes. Pink number 1. Awesome. Achievement. By the way, if you haven't checked our other videos, go to our channel and check other videos of ours. It would be great. Oh, she's coming back. Gotta go. Jeez, people are forgetting to actually put on makeup bazooka. A princess! Hello, Rarity. We are going to try this actual makeup bazooka. Okay. Okay. You won't believe the day I had. Alright, you ready? I'm ready. Oh wait, just give me a second. Oh, I forgot to change out the piece of paper. Get the piece of paper out. Okay, good. Just had to check on anything else. Yeah. Green. More slime? Uh-oh. I guess it melted. The makeup melted. Why? Does it have to be slime? I already got slime. I'm gonna go to the bathroom again. Yes. Achievement number 3. Success. Man, this payback is getting great. Especially for me. Switch out the piece. Alright. Oh, she's coming back. I gotta go. Put a bit. Ugh. Hello, Princess Twilight Sparkle. Hello, Rarity. I'm going to take this real makeup bazooka. Are you tired? Real tired. Studied all night on work. All night on work. Anywho. Ready for this next one? You won't believe the day I had. Slime 3 times. You're telling me, girl. Black. Again? But this is smaller. Ah! My cutie mark. No. Ew, I can't believe. Ew. I'm going to the bathroom again. Yes, success number 4. Man, these successes are terrific. Jurassic, right? No, terrific. Oh, switch out the piece. Okay. Right, this is the last color, and it's another green. Well, I'll see you guys later. I can't believe it. Princess Cadence! Before you chase a makeup bazooka on me, I have to tell you my day. I got slimed with black slime. Remember, replay the video if you haven't seen it. And then I got slimed with pink slime. Rewind the video. And then I got slimed with green slime. Rewind the video. And then I got slimed with a little bit of black slime. Rewind the video. I hope I don't get slimed again, or that would be a catastrophe. I got the camera this time. That's fishy. I don't have fish. Last makeup bazooka test. This one's real. Ah, good. Green. Ah! Why does everything bad happen to me? I'm going to the bathroom. Yes, success on all slime. Yes. Ha ha ha. Yes. Yes. I shouldn't be shouting. I'm going to be going. Someone else is coming out to tell her what's going on. Applejack. Hey, Rarity. Oh my goodness. You kidding me, Rarity? Yeah. I'm so frustrated today. Why is that? I got slimed with black slime, pink slime, green slime, a little bit of black slime, and green slime. Well, could I tell you this? What? That this was a prank? A prank? By Twilight Sparkle. Oh, that dirty little... Now we go on to Pinkie Pie. Okay? And that's all. Twilight! I hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, this is made for a little brother. A little boy. Brother. I think that's it. Anyway, if you haven't already, click the notifications button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And let's shoot to at least 1,000 likes on this video, and then we will do another pony video in this new background. If you have noticed, it is new. See ya, guys, and bye.